KTN News.
Now let's take a look at other stories making headlines, and the Kenya Association of Manufacturers is calling for the opening of interbank trading to increase liquidity in the market. So let's have a look at other stories making the headlines.
The Association of Manufacturers is calling for the opening up of interbank trading to increase liquidity in the market. This follows increased concerns from members on accessing US dollars from their banks to meet their international commitments in a timely manner. The manufacturers argue that the dollar shortage is putting a strain on supply relations and their ability to negotiate favorable prices in spot markets. Elsewhere, the Kenya Bureau of Standards has come up with an initiative to ensure import and export of goods is flawlessly carried out in the country's trade and economy. This is due to the current temporary absence of contracted pre-export verification of conformity to standards. The initiative, hinged on refined import procedures, is primed to uphold the ease of doing business by ensuring that imported goods are cleared in the fastest way possible upon arrival at the country's ports. And finally, global technology brand Oppo has announced the launch of its brand new Reno 7 series in the Kenyan market. The Oppo Reno 7 brings out the latest styles and design technology to users through the introduction of the self-developed fiberglass leather design. The launch comes even as competition in the smartphone segment hots up, with phone makers leveraging on 5G technology to lure consumers.
Now, meanwhile, Laikipia County has received a stable outlook in new improved ratings owing to a rise in revenue collections and reduced pending bills. South African rating agency, that is GCR Ratings, upgraded the county's national scale long and short-term issuer rating to BB, BBB and A3 ahead of a proposed 1.2 billion shillings infrastructure bond issue, the first ever for counties. Now, the county will float a 7-year infrastructure bond on a government guarantee. The bond is part of the county's innovative ways to raise capital for development expenditure amidst complaints of delayed disbursements of county cash from the exchequer. GCR said Laikipia's credit profile had been strengthened by an improved operating performance, with own source revenue rebounding to 840 million in the 2021 financial year from 731 actually in 2020, which was 84% of the budget.